Hello there, I hope you have prepared your financial summary sheet right before we meet. And if you have yet to, please visit my earlier video titled What to Do Before Our First Appointment. In this video, you will see what goes on in our first appointment. With the numbers included in the Excel sheet, we will be able to generate your financial health report. And we will use this to interpret some results. So let's dive in on Mr. Bai Baoxian to see what we can do for him. The blue boxes indicate your current level of coverage. As we can see, this encompasses all sorts of insurance from income replacement, hospital, accident, and even disability income. Scrolling down, we get to have a glimpse at one potential scenario in our lives. The black color line is the most important one as it means our cash balance in the bank. Green bars means residual income, grey bars means expenses, and we can even include loans, investments, and long-term care costs. With an assumption of total permanent disability at age 39, it's unfortunate that by 47 years old, Mr. Bai would have run out of cash at my current level of insurance. Other variables include salary increments, inflation rate, short-term goals, long-term kids expenses, housing goals, investment returns, and many more. You may be wondering, this is only one scenario. How about the other infinite possibilities? That's where I have done up a sensitivity analysis to ensure that you are well protected, the numbers recommended for your coverage. Depending on your income level, expenses, age, and wishes, I will tweak the income and expense method weightage. Income method ensures that your current standard of living is maintained, while expense method ensures that your basic necessities and liabilities are covered for. Because Mr. Bai Baoxian has mentioned that he wishes to maintain most of his lifestyle even when ill, the income method was weighted to be 80%. The sum assured for each category is tabulated by the weighted probabilities across age, duration of inability to work, and financial impact. For the more mathematically savvy ones, the claim statistics are there for your usage. The claim statistics is often put there just for the mathematical ones. However, it is really pointless because when it happens to you, it is 100%. In this next graph that we see, it's a brighter picture with the recommended level of insurance. With the same level of impact of total and permanent disability, Mr. Bai Baoxian is seen to have enough money to tide through his entire life, assuming a mortality age of 89. That is what insurance does for you. Scrolling down, the gaps for insurance coverage will be generated for you to decide how much you would like to cover. You can choose how much for a start you would like to cover, but it is my duty to one day complete your coverage. We will also track your progress to freedom. At just 27 years of age, Mr. Bai Baoxian is nowhere near retirement, just 1.3% of his retirement needs. Scrolling down, the next first tracker here shows in the case of a total and permanent disability, he will not be able to retire at all. On the positive side, if he were to cover himself well, he will find himself just enough for retirement at 103.3%. In the subsequent pages, you can find yourself some quick summaries such as your income statements, coverage needs, policies, and expense breakdown. Now that we have concluded our financial health report, I would like to gather your preferences. So some people say that they like term life over whole life. Some people say that they like multi-claim versus single-claim critical illnesses. Some prefer private hospitals and public hospitals. So it is entirely up to you to get what you want. After all that is done, I will generate a set of recommendations for you and present it to you to understand more about your thoughts on the planning. I assure you that this 1 hour spent will be the best 1 hour in your life. I hope to see you soon.